Dear students, today we will discuss the meaning of rural entrepreneurship and what are the benefits of rural entrepreneurship for the economy, or you can say what role rural entrepreneurs and rural entrepreneurship plays for the development of any economy. So, starting with the definition of rural entrepreneurship, uh, any business which emerges into the rural area or any entrepreneurial activities which emerged in the rural area is called rural entrepreneurship. Or you can say the entrepreneurship which is emerging in the rural area is called rural entrepreneurship. So any kind of establishment of any industry or any cottage industry or any small unit of business, anything which get established nearby rural or in rural area is known as rural entrepreneurship. So in a simpler word, a rural entrepreneurship implies entrepreneurship which is emerging in the rural area, or the rural industrialization is called as rural entrepreneurship. So this is what we can say as an rural entrepreneurship. Now uh, now the question arises, what are the rural industries or what are the rural business? So any industry which or any business which organizes in rural area, which is generally associated with agriculture and aligned activities to agriculture, is known as rural industries. According to Khadi and Village Industry Commission, a village industry or in a rural industry means any industry located in the rural area where the population of that rural area does not exceed 10,000, or such other figures which proceed any goods or render any services within or without use of power, and in which the fixed capital investment per head of an artisan or a worker does not exceed 1,000 rupees. So as per the KVIC, such industries which is located nearby the rural area, and the population of that village should not exceed uh, 10,000, and the capital investment is very less, and the capital investment per head, you can say any artist or any worker does not exceed more than 1,000 rupees. Now, according to the uh, definition given by GOI, Government of India, any industry located in rural area, village or town with a population of, this is the defined one, population of 20,000 and below, and the investment in such plant and machinery should not exceed rupees 3 crore, is known as an village industry. So these are the types of village industries or rural industries. Some industries are based on agro-based, like juice, pickle, spices, dairy product, jaggery, oil processing from oil seeds. So these are the agro-based. Another one is forest-based, like wood products, bamboos, honey, coir industry, making eating plates from leaves. So these are the forest based industries. Then another is the mineral based industries, like stone crushing, cement industry, red oxide making, wall coating powder, etc. Then next is the textile industries, like spinning, weaving, coloring, bleaching of the clothes, and engineering and services like agriculture equipment, tractor and pump set repair, etc. Now, what is the role of rural entrepreneur in the development of entrepreneurship and in the development of Indian economy. So, starting with the first importance of rural entrepreneur and entrepreneurship, that if the rural industries and rural entrepreneurship emerges, then it provide employment opportunities to the youth who are residing in the rural areas. And when the people who are residing in rural areas get employment opportunities nearby their own, uh, environment, then there is a check on the migration of rural population to the urban and cities, urban areas and the metropolitan cities, because the people are getting employment at their home. So the movement, or so the movement is very less, so people will not migrate from their villages to the towns. Then rural entrepreneurship create or make a balance between the regional growth. So it's not like that ki, metropolitan cities are only growing and developed. No, with the help of rural industries, the rural areas and remote areas also get developed. So somehow the balance, regional balance growth can be achieved. Then there is, with the help of rural entrepreneurship, the rural artistic activities, which is our old culture, can be promoted by exporting their crafts, by exporting their artistic activities to the foreign locations. Now this also can check the social evils, other social, because poverty is the root cause of social evils. So if the income generation takes place, then somehow the social evils also get cured. Another is the youth. The rural youth also awaken, and they also come up with any new innovative inventive ideas, and they establish their own factories or any startup in their own villages. Then it also improves the living standard of the people who are living in the villages, because living standard or improvement of living standard is based completely based off income generation. Then another is there is a proper utilization of the local resources as well. The local resources which are lying unutilized can be utilized for the rural entrepreneurship. Another is it foster economic development. Definitely it fostered economic development, because income generation is there, employment generation is there, so it contribute to the GDP as well as the economic development takes place. Now next one is, and next and the last one is it brings foreign reserves, foreign earnings in the form of the product exporting. So these are the benefits of rural entrepreneurship. Now I'll quote some examples who are well known rural entrepreneurs. One is Mansukh Bhai Jagani from Gujarat. He has introduced and invented a motorcycle based tractor for India's poor farmer, that are both cost effective and fuel efficient. So the picture is here. He has created a small mini tractor with the which is attached within a motorbike. Another one is Mr. Mansukh Bhai Prajapati, who is born to a family near Rajkot, and he prepared or make a multi cool fridge, which is cost effective and very useful for cooling the products. Another is Ganesh, Mr. Ganesh Pandey. Uh, he belongs to Bihar, and he introduced and some ideas to generate power from renewable farm waste, that is husk. So he generated, because he have seen lot of problems in his village, that there is no electricity, no power is there. So he come up and he got education from the foreign university, and then he come back to his hometown and start doing projects related to generation of power from renewable farm waste. So these are the few examples of rural entrepreneurs. There are a lot of many rural entrepreneurs. Hope this topic is clear to you all.